Hey there, wanted to do a quick review on this Amazon Basics shower curtain tension rod, show you how it works. You can see we've got adjustable length here just by turning it clockwise and counterclockwise. There are two sections of rod threaded into this, so that is how you adjust it. There is a spring in here that provides tension, and as you can see as I squeeze this together, you can see that tension. So whenever you install this, you'll simply want to get the correct length between your two side walls, take it out, provide an additional inch of length, and then push it in place, and that spring tension action will lock it in place. As you see here, there are some nice non-marring pads on the end of this to protect the surface. The finish on the rod is very nice, looks very good. And then here again on the end, you'll see that non-marring pad on the end. One thing I do recommend, this particular rod is a 24 to 36 inch adjustable rod. Once you get all the way at the end of the range, so this is 36 inches right here, it can be a little bit more wobbly. Now, whenever you put tension on it, a lot of that will go away. But if you select a rod closer to the bottom end of its range, you'll notice that whenever it is together, whenever it's at the lower end of its range, it is more stable because more of the rod is connected within itself. Whereas once you get all the way extended, you only have a smaller amount connecting the two together. But overall, nice product. Amazon Basics makes great stuff at a really great price point. So if you're looking for an adjustable tension shower curtain rod, this would be a great option for you.